If you want to unlink your Pandora account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your privacy and account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into Pandora. Visit the Pandora website or open the Pandora app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon and then choose Settings. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Linked Accounts with Social Media. This section will show you any accounts that are currently linked to your Pandora profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the Linked Accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option to initiate the unlinking process. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Pandora account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for further assistance.